Word problems involving percent. Now, finding a percent of a number. Now, there's a formula that you can use for working with all of the word problems that we're doing, and that is if you take the part that's identified in the percentage word problem divided by the whole, that will be equal to percentage divided by 100. And this formula is often just simply written as P over W percent over 100. Now, to help you decode word problems, there are some important keywords to be aware of. In all percent problems, the whole follows the keyword of. Now, the part either is in front of the keyword is or behind the keyword is. So the part in all of these problems, here's the part, it's either in front of the keyword is or behind the keyword is. The percentage will be typically associated with a number if it's given to you. So in this example, 25% is the percentage. So what I need to do is identify the various components of the statement of the word problem. So here's the keyword of, and the number 40 comes after the keyword of. So 40 is the whole. Now, here's the keyword is, and the part either comes in front of or behind the keyword is. The problem here that you have to differentiate, you see the 25%? That's the percentage. That's already taken care of because we're told that the percentage is 25%. So look in front of the keyword is, and what you see is this word what. What is? Well, what is like what you're trying to find out. It's the unknown thing. And because it's in front, in this case, of the keyword is, that's the part, is in. So if I set this question up, solve it, what I'm going to have is I'm going to have the part, which is the unknown, divided by the whole, which is 40, equals the percentage, which is 25, over 100. Well, what you can do in all of these problems, you can do what's called cross multiplying, and that will put everything on one line, so there's no fraction. So what I'm going to do is have 100 times n will be 100n, and that will be equal to, I'm going to put these numbers in brackets to indicate multiplication, 25 times 40. Well, I'm going to multiply this statement on the right hand side of the equation out. So this can become 100n equals 25 times 40, which is 1,000. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up the unknown, the n, and I'm going to divide both sides by what's in front of the n, which is 100, like so. I'm going to divide the left side of the equation by 100. I'm going to divide the right side of the equation by 100. Because of the property of 1, anything divided by itself is 1. So 100 divided by 100 is 1. So 1 times n is just n. And then what we are left with here is n, all on its own, is equal to 1,000 divided by 100, which is 10. So n equals 10. Well, what does that mean? Well, if I take this information and put it back into the word problem, it means that 10 is 25% of 40.